So, good morning. Monday. Tanawag kong adlaw kay kuan kayo pero tugnaw sa gawas. Anyway. Amo ang hatod amo ang doggies kay na sila mga appointment. Then, mukuyog ko sa ako ang bana sa iyang trabaho kadiyot. Pero nakapambalay ra jud ko. Apo kailis ba lang. Good morning. Floki, are you okay back there, Floki? Floki! Be good, boy. We're going for a ride. I know, baby, I know. Mommy got you, mommy got you. Roxy, don't be scared, baby. Sana kami doggy.
Plus, you know, what else we would do is we wait for a couple hours for the dogs to be.
So yung pupuntahan namin is same street lang ng chef. Bahay ng chef namin. Sa Melford. Banda doon bahay ni chef. So mauna ni kuyog-kuyog. Yan narata sa kinana po usog. Ay, may pagwala ni kuyog natulog na lang sa balay. Ah, that's what I'm saying.
And you're like walking distance to walk downtown Milford. It's a really nice area. What did Chef pay for his house, do you know?
No. Can we afford to buy a house in here?
Yeah, that's what I was asking. I don't think so. I'll look up and see what Chef paid for his house.
Sumaw na iyang di trabaho ron.
So I know, of course, we don't, people watching know this is fake, but no, not fake. It's fake news, basically, like they like to say.
Yes.
But there is people that believe this. It's crazy.
Considering the fact that in America, and I'm going to read off a script here, these are facts that cannot be disputed on the internet, according to the WDPA. The US currently has 34,000 protected areas covering a total
Sunog yung
of
bacon ko.
1.8 million square miles. That is a lot of land, and I dare say it's probably more than the entire landmass of the UK put together.
Honestly, but okay, this is interesting because I think this stereotype comes from probably what you thought at the beginning, that Americans don't care.